Welcome to the NeuralSeek Cache Hands-On Lab, Module Number 3, Observing Caching in Action. We can check whether the contents are being cached or not by running a seek and monitoring how much time is spent on retrieving the knowledge base. Click Seek tab on the top menu of NeuralSeek and ask the question, what are the benefits of NeuralSeek in the input field? Notice the knowledge base time response below shows 5.183 seconds, meaning that the search for the relevant information and returning the result took that much time. Now, click the Seek button again to rerun the query. Notice the knowledge base response time is now 0 seconds, which means that the knowledge base cache was used instead of accessing the knowledge base backend, and thus saved significant time in getting the response. Note that the cache result will be saved for the defined time set in the cache configuration, and thus the cached count will be used until its time is expired. If you wish to reset the caching, you can go to the configuration and click Save to trigger Save on the configuration, which will also clear out all of the cached knowledge base results. Now, let's observe caching of answers, normal and edited. In addition to the knowledge base caching, there are also 2 more cachings that's done in NeuralSeek with normal or edited answers. To begin, click the Seek button 4 or 5 more times to trigger multiple answers to be generated from the given question, what are the benefits of NeuralSeek? Note that we need to make sure there are 5 or more answers generated since that was the configuration for the cache to get enabled. Once done, go to the Curate tab and click the FAQ Benefits _NeuralSeek section to show the answers generated for the particular questions or intents related to the benefits of NeuralSeek. Note that there are now 5 generated answers made by NeuralSeek in various styles. Now, go back to the Seek tab and enter the same question. What are the benefits of NeuralSeek? In your answer, you'll see the answers coming from the cached set of normal answers, and it will indicate the answers from the cache store. Note the fast response time speed due to NeuralSeek now using cached answers. Now, let's test the caching for edited answers. They're really not that different from normal answer caches, other than you can specify how many edited answers you would like to have NeuralSeek start caching it at. The caching is currently set to 3, but for the time being, let's have it set to 1 so that if we have 1 edited answer, that would get cached. So, go to the Configure tab at the top menu and click on Intent Matching and Cache Configuration. Adjust the edited answer cache to 1. Click Save at the bottom to save your changes, then go back to the Curate tab on the top menu. Open the FAQ/Benefits _NeuralSeek section. Click on the first answer on top and edit it. For this example, maybe the answer, NeuralSeek offers fact-checking, data analytics, and accelerates the development of live agents and empowers them with better knowledge and answers. Click the Save button. Now, the answer is edited and shown in the answers list. When selecting answers, NeuralSeek always puts precedence on edited answers over normal answers, as the edited answers are considered relatively more accurate. Now, we can move back to the Seek tab and ask the same question again. Once we get the response, with the indicator that the answer came from the cache source, which we edited, if you click it multiple times, rather than the NeuralSeek randomly rotating between the normal answers, it will try to stick with the edited answer, which is also cached, responding very quickly. Now, let's check the caching via the REST API. When using the REST API, you can also check whether the answer or knowledge content being used is being cached or not by testing it in the NeuralSeek's API integration. So, go to the Integrate tab on the top menu, and then copy the API key in the first page, which is called Watson Custom Extension. Then, click on API on the left pane. Click the Authorize button at the bottom right, and paste the copied API key into the value and click Authorized. Note that API keys are highly sensitive data and should not be shared with anyone else. Once done, click Close. Now, with the proper API key provided, you can now try its testing in REST API. Open up the Seek section and click Try it out. Enter the same question we used previously. What are the benefits of NeuralSeek? Then, click Execute. Check the response, which has the cached result to true, returning the same cached result from the edited answer. Also, check the time to be 0, meaning that the knowledge base content was derived from the cached source. After you're done with the lab, please follow the following steps to clean it up. Select Configure tab in the top menu. Open the Intent Matching and Cache Configuration section. Set the edited answer cache back to 3. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page once you're done. Then, move to the Curate tab in the top menu. Click the gear icon in the top panel and select Delete All Data. Click the Confirm Delete. Then, close the browser. And that's all. In this lab, we have learned what are the caching functionalities of NeuralSeek, how it can be configured, and how we can check whether the caching is working or not via UI and also via REST API. Caching is an important part of NeuralSeek that boosts performance and saves the cost of running complex backend processing. Knowing how to use it will help users to use NeuralSeek with high performance and reliability.